Akhombise ukuphoxeka amakhansela eANC eThaba Nchu eFree State ngeMeya yomkhandlu-dolobha waseMangaung uOlly Mlamleli. Akhala ngesimo eziyiso izijumbana zokudla ezithunyelelwe umphakathi walendawo okuyinto eyenziwe nguMeya nosomabhizinisi. UMlamleli uphinde asolwe ngokusebenzisa imali yomkhandlu ukuthenga lezi zijumbana zokudla.
Aweneme lamakhansela athi lezi zijumbana zehlisa isithunzi sabantu abavele bedla imbuya ngothi.
On behalf of other councillors of Mangaung, I'm very disappointed and angry because while majority did on the social media, she posted a different food parcels. The one that she has sent to us is a disgrace, it's an insult to our people.
Esikhathi abanye bekhala ngezijumbana zokudla ezingekho esimeni, kepha impilo kaNkukame isenzima namanje. uNkukame oneminyaka engu-61 uhlala endlini namagumbi amabili nezingane zakhe ezintathu. Wabhalisela isijumbana sokudla angakasitholi namanje. Uthi umndeni wakhe uphila ngokuthengisa izithelo. Uthi bayazihluphekela. Uthi babhalisela ukudla abangakakutholi namanje. Kusenjalo, iMeya ithi lezi zijumbana izitheke ngemali yayo. Ithi lezi insolo bekwezona yitulo nje elicitshwe izimvamona.
They are tarnishing my image. They are tarnishing the image of the family. My decision that I've taken, I'm going to take legal action against that person who wrote on Facebook to say there's an entrepreneur that has been appointed that paid 1,200 for food pay.
Lenkomba emalungana nezijumbana zokudla into entsha lapha. Umphakathi omningi ezweni lonke ulokhu ukhale njalo ngokugqoza kokuhlinzekwa ngezijumbana zokudla. Inhloso yokuhlinzeka imindeni ekhahlanyezwe yi-lockdown ngokudla ayisasho lutho ke manje.